Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as the owner of a Google partner company. And today I'm here with a new question, so let's get started. Google Ad Network no longer viable for small business. I'm trying to figure out some new ad strategies. Google Ads seems to be a huge waste of money these days. It seems like fraud is rampant on their ad network, and the search ads really are only served to largest clients these days. I just seen a YouTube video on how to make money via running a click farm in the US. Basically, people are signing up to sites and running small click farms to make a few $100s a month. The sites they are talking about are pretty obvious. However, it clearly was a site I was hit on a Google on with a complaint that was obvious fraud on Google. The mere fact that they allow pay-to-click site is reason enough to avoid the ad network. Google search is also horrible, full of ads and very few small businesses on it. You basically pay a fortune for a small spot reserved for similar advertisers. Then the customer service is even worse. You basically have to pay to talk to them. It seems like you are sucker to do a business with Google lately. Okay, if you ask me, Google Ads is actually a viable network for small, but unfortunately, I have to disagree with you on this. And that the system of people quality score which the Google designed is actually it's for a fair distribution and a fair chance to small advertisers to run their ads in Google. Otherwise, people would have bought bulk buying like in normal media, and then it would be very impossible for an ordinary person to participate and play and on and run their ads. So Google in fact has worked a lot on the quality score and the algorithm of how their PPC system works. So yeah, I have to disagree with you on this. And now because you said that the Google allows the pay to click sites run is enough to avoid the ad network. Okay, unfortunately there are legit pay to click sites as well. So in case if the sites are legit and there are no problems, then it's fine. But the only problem is if the sites are scam and they are promoting on Google and the Google doesn't stop promoting them with the complaints. That is the time when the complaint comes. But Google take action before that. So which is why the sites being promoted are majority are legit and have no issues. And Google is also having a strong look on new websites, and in case if they receive any complaints, they are usually very quick in responding and blocking new websites which are doing harm, phishing, or fraudulent activities with our customers. So look around in this factor as well. And now because you said that Google search is also horrible, full of ads and very few small businesses on it. So it actually depends if you are linking Google search with Google business profile or you are telling about Google search. For let's say if you are talking about Google search, and it all depends upon your campaign optimization and structure. So yeah, I will disagree with you on this as well. And it's depending upon you pay a fortune for a small sport, so you're just looking it as a advertising on a TV ad, but no, it's not worked like that. And you have to optimize your campaigns to reduce your CPC cost and to reduce your conversion cost. There are a lot of factors as well: what kind of a landing page you have, your landing offer, how good you are on analytical activities, and how you can track your campaign. So yeah, I think that I have to disagree with you on this. So I hope you like my opinion. But in case if you need a Google Ads audit, set up a management, or in case if you want a Google partner or a professional like us to sorting out your Google Ads campaign, we look forward to working with you. To hire through the link in the description, and we look forward to working with you. So yeah, take care and bye.